Welcome everybody. Welcome to my YouTube how to take in the ArcGIS channels. So today simply how to export a data or how to export a shapefile on ArcGIS solutions. So open here from a catalog your data. So here is my data on the here on the catalog. So in this way I drag here in the so how export this or this we need one of a shapefile. So I want to export this files and so here is right click on the down at the layer. So right click on the my files. So right clicks on the my files. So here is data, then exported data here. So simply in this way we will export a data and browse. Here is a file location. I want to file here as a desktop or what I want here. So on the desktop I want to save here is as a new. So in this way I'm exporting a data, the exported data. I give here is a name. So it's my exporter parcels parcels my parcels name here. So here is underscore. So save a files. So export. Yes. So in this way you will export your data, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Click here on notifications. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.